Hi friends, Teacher Rachel here today, and this week you got some interesting things in your materials bag. So this week we have this bag of white powder. This is actually baking soda. And then we have a lemon, and we have this little cup which is got some food coloring and some Dawn dish soap in it. So you're gonna need help from mom and dad for this part. Somebody's gonna need to cut the lemon. You might kind of squish it a little bit, but we're gonna cut so that we have a little bit of a flat part, and then cut the lemon, or we'll cut both ends because you can actually do this twice. So, and then we'll cut the lemon in half like so. So here I have, you can see the lemon. It's got all of its little segmented parts and some seeds in there. You can taste it before we start that project, and you'll see that it's very, very sour and tart and yummy. And then you also should have gotten a bag with some popsicle sticks in it. So you're gonna need one popsicle stick for this activity. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of this mixture and put a tiny bit on top of your lemon there. And then we're gonna you can take some of the white powder, so this baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, and we're gonna take it and put some on top. And if you can see, can you see that already? It's starting to fizz up a little bit. This is a reaction that happens when you mix citric acid and baking soda. Do you see that? Whoa. Maybe you can even hear it. I don't know if you can. So you just keep poking it, and the soap will make more bubbles, and then there's also, because there's the food coloring, it will make it color as well. So see, you poke, 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 poke. And it starts getting foamy. We can put a little bit more soap on. Looks like I've got purple food coloring in my soap. Now it's important to know that once you put the soap on, you can't eat it. Okay, the soap will not taste good, and it will definitely give you a tummy ache. But yeah, so these are our lemon volcanoes, because this week our letter is L. So lemon, L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. And then look at this one. Oh my gosh, it's so oozy. Can you see that? Oh, it feels so strange, and it's all bubbly. Ooh, that's all I can feel it in my fingers. And you just keep poking it and keep squishing it, and it'll keep making more and more bubbles, and then you can add some more powder and poke it in there some more. You can tear it apart or cut it up. Yeah, make sure you have like a tray or a plate or something underneath would be a good idea, because it definitely gets messy. Sprinkle some more on there, because the more juice that you get in there, and it gets in there with the baking soda, the more foamy and frothy it'll get. See that? Check that out. Those are our lemon volcanoes. I hope you guys have fun with this project. We'll see you next time.